What's up guys, Sashi here. I want to talk about how to stop being a nice guy. So nice guys in this context is a guy who likes to give compliments even if he doesn't think it's true, just giving them like deceitful messages just to get approval for his own sake. Here's a problem. A nice guy likes to get approval or love or acknowledgement by doing a favor to other people. So on the surface, they're doing nice things to other people, right? But the ulterior motive that nice guys don't notice is that they are doing something, expecting something in return. And this is the reason why being a nice guy, the stereotypical nice guy, is not really a good idea, because you're not really genuinely nice to other people. You are actually expecting something in return. You have ulterior motive. You are not direct enough. You are not respecting your needs and desires to speak up and ask for those stuff. But instead, you want to avoid rejections. So you do nice things hoping that you get something in return by other people. So stop seeking approval from other people is the first point of stop being a nice guy.
These roads intersect, on each one I reflect. These lines write my story. These places change me, each one replacing. Like night into morning, I miss the open air, the going anywhere, riding with you, like we used to.
Second point is to ask what you want more. It's kind of related to the first point I talked about, that whole behind the scene, that why psychology of nice guy seeking approval is to get what they want. But because nice guys, they don't have courage, maybe they are scared of rejections, right? So instead of asking directly about what they want, maybe in a situation like maybe you want to get promoted, or maybe you want to ask her out on a date but you don't want to get rejected. Instead you do all sorts of stuff hoping for other people to notice you and give you what you want. But second point is actually ask what you want. And this is a reason why people is going to respect you more, because by asking what you want, your desires, you are true to yourself as opposed to being walked over by somebody else. People is going to respect you more because you are showing other people that you want to take care of yourself, your needs. And it's kind of like not quite being selfish, but having your own standard, of lifestyle, of compensation, or how friendship works. Maybe you don't want her to walk over your face. You so scared, so stuck in this mind, the idea of rejection, you couldn't ask what you wanted. Maybe you could just ask her, do you want to go on a date? But instead, as a nice guy, you want to avoid those confrontation, rejections, disagreement. You resorted to doing something nice. Third point, after I go to gym, because I need to take care of my knees as well, I'm gonna do that workout and come back and have a third point, so being a nice guy. What's up guys, I just finished a killer workout. I did squat, my back hurts, so I switched to biceps, triceps, and cardio. I did 10 minutes of cardio, so now at the beach. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about the third point of how to stop being a nice guy, which is stop letting other people walk over your face. What it means is that basically you need to set your own boundaries, okay? So if you are setting up a date with somebody, a girl, guy, and then maybe your date shows up late without, being sorry, and then being a nice guy there, you don't want to bring up the fact and then make arguments or confrontation, because you think as a nice guy, being nice means avoiding conflicts and being peaceful, but by not letting them know about what you cannot stand, what you cannot withstand or put up with, you're basically doing disservice to other people. And if you keep doing that, if you're letting people disrespect you, basically you're letting other people walk all over your face. So to recap, you don't want to seek approval, acknowledgement from other people, right? Second thing, I don't remember. Third point is to start having boundaries, personal boundaries. You need to set rules.